On the NordVPN home screen, you can go ahead and click on the Quick Connect button right here, and that will connect you to the VPN that is closest to you geographically. You also have this search bar right here where you can type the location of the VPN you wish to connect to within that particular country. So you have United Kingdom, United States. I'm currently in Canada, so I can also type Canada. As you can see here, it tells you how many VPN connections are available in each country, so that gives you an idea. Now, if you're more of a visual learner or a visual person, you can go ahead and click on this option here that says VPN with the world icon, and it would give you this map here. You can also connect to the VPN within that particular geographical location. So let's go ahead and click on Canada. And then it would tell you here that we are now connected to a VPN that is within Canada. Now you do have the option to pause it for either 5, 15 minutes or 1 hour. You can either reconnect or you can click on this button here to disconnect, which would disconnect you from the VPN and you would go back on your normal internet connection. Now, if you found this video helpful, you can check out the top pinned comment and the description below. I do have an affiliate link for you to sign up with VPN if you found this video helpful. Thank you.